Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maren.
And I'm Mori.
Yeah, so as usual, we're in the streets of Nairobi CBD and we're going to be asking Kenyans what are some of the most popular Jamaican slangs that they know.
Yeah, so come with us, let's go. But before we go, you guys, if you're new to this channel and you've not subscribed, please remember to subscribe to our channel. You can also leave your comment down below on what you think about this episode. So let's go.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm Smiley.
Smiley?
Yes.
Okay, what's your name?
Leora.
Leora?
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, are you familiar with the country Jamaica?
Yes.
Are you familiar with the country Jamaica?
Yeah.
How do you know them or what have you heard about them?
The music,
Music.
the culture.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about you?
Bubbly. And the food. The food, yeah.
Right. So today we're asking Kenyans, do you know any Jamaican slang or words that Jamaicans use?
Wagwan, in it. Yeah.
Oh wow. Do you know the meaning of wagwan?
Yes. It's like how are you? I'm fine.
Ah, okay. Yeah, that's true. Do you know, Leora, do you know some Jamaican word or slang?
Big up.
Big up.
Big up.
You know the meaning?
It's like congratulating yourself.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's true. Have you ever heard about when they say big up, have you heard the opposite? It's called small up yourself or something like that.
No, I've never heard.
Okay, now I'll give you another Jamaican slang. Small up yourself is like they use that to tell someone to create room.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. So, what can you tell our Jamaican fans who are watching this video? Just a parting short message for them.
Continue shining. I like your music. Continue with your music industry. They're on top. Yeah.
All right. What about you?
The music are the best. It's the best music in the world. The dance, they create the dance, the choreos, manze.
Okay.
It's great.
All right. And before I let you go, one last question, or maybe, do you know where Jamaica is located?
Hey.
What about you?
What I know as a historian, the Caribbean. Yeah.
Oh, Caribbean. That's actually true. And do you know any other island in the Caribbean other than Jamaica?
No. For now, no. But I'll give you the feedback soon.
All right. And have you ever heard about Trinidad and Tobago?
Huh?
Trinidad and Tobago.
That's another island.
That's another island. What about Dominican Republic?
I've heard of it.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Where from, or do you know anything about it, or you've just heard it?
Just heard of the name.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. All right. And what about Haiti? Have you heard of Haiti?
Haiti, yes.
Yes.
That's where government, I'm sorry. I can't say, but yeah.
All right. So thank you so much. Those are just a few of other islands in the Caribbean. So I had a great time with you guys. Thank you so much for granting us your time.
Thank you too.
Welcome.
All right. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
Dadisi.
Dadise.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans. First of all, do you know? Are you familiar with the country Jamaica?
No, but mostly I know about Jamaica is their song. Only that.
Okay.
I cannot tell more than that.
So today we are asking Kenyans. Do you know any Jamaican words you can tell us or slang?
Yeah. Of course, bombo clutch. I've been known. I go tell them so. Yeah.
Do you know their meaning?
No,
You just know the word.
I just know the words.
Where have you heard these words?
Most of them in the songs, of course, there are songs they have gone viral. Yeah, that's what I can tell.
Okay. What if I told you the meaning of bombo? Can I tell you the meaning of bombo class?
Of course, I'd love to hear the meaning of them.
So the meaning of bombo clat is actually in Jamaica, someone angry can use that to express anger, and it means, it's a bad word. It means, when Americans say F you,
Yeah.
that is or mother effer.
Oh my goodness.
So it's actually a curse word. What did you think bombo clat meant?
For me, I think maybe when someone surprises you with something, in the response you are supposed to say bombo clat.
So at least now you've learned something.
Yeah.
All right, so thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
I'm Irene.
Irene. sing.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are asking Kenyans, but do you know Jamaica?
Yeah, I do.
What do you know about Jamaica?
It's one of the Caribbean country. Plus, they have good music. The rhythm, reggae. You know, I love them. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. So is there, you've said Jamaica is from the Caribbean, and I'm happy you actually know this about them. Is there any other Caribbean countries you know from the Caribbean? Islands.
Haiti. Is it plus? No, I don't know. I just
You only know Haiti.
yeah, it doesn't need it. They have disappeared. Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever heard about Trinidad and Tobago?
No.
What about Dominican Republic?
Yeah, I do.
You've heard?
Yeah.
Okay, those are just a few of some of the Caribbean islands. So today's main question is: are you familiar with some Jamaican slang, or do you know any Jamaican words?
I know, like, what's a guan? Bombo clat? Nothing, you know? Like, yeah, I don't know a lot.
Okay, and do you know what they mean?
What a guan, it's like greeting.
Yeah.
Nothing is like nothing. And yeah, only those. I don't know. I don't know much.
All right. What about bombo clat? Do you know its meaning?
No, I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. What if I told you? What do you think it means? Like if you are told to just try and guess.
Or bombo clat.
Yeah.
To me, it sounds like insult or something, but I'm not sure. I don't.
You're on the right track. It's actually an insult. It's like when someone is angry and they tell you to F off, or they call you Emma Effa, you know. Yeah, that's what bomboclat means. Did you know?
No, I didn't know.
Okay, so at least you've learned something.
Yeah.
All right, so you told me earlier you have a YouTube channel. Maybe you can tell them to follow you there.
Yeah, I do have a YouTube channel. You can go there and subscribe. I go by the name Kabura Irene. And I have few subscribers and I'm happy. So I would like you to go there and follow. You can also comment and tell me the next vlog that you want me to do, and I'll do it.
All right, some Jamaican people, tell them big up yourself and subscribe to my channel.
Big up yourself and subscribe to my channel.
You know what big up means?
Yes, it's big up.
Yeah, it's like congratulating something or appreciating something, right?
Yeah.
And the opposite of that is called small up yourself. You know what it means?
No.
It's like when someone tells you to make room. It sounds funny, right?
Yeah.
Anyway, our Jamaican friends, kindly pass by. Tell them you're coming from Twinshangoutkenya and check out the beautiful lady. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
By now we know you're Robbie, right?
Yes, I'm Robbie Masaga. And also tell your people, I also have a YouTube channel.
Tell them so that they can hear from you.
Okay, I also have a YouTube channel. You can find me on all my socials as Robbie Masaga.
Okay,
Yes.
oh, that's it. Robbie Masaga, all social media platforms.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, are you familiar or do you know any popular Jamaican words or slang that are used here in Kenya?
Yeah, I do. I grew up in Kayole, like I told you before, I think. I grew up in Kayole and I do know some.
Okay.
Yeah, like Wagwan, Bombo Clat, Big Up Yourself, Yo Man. Yeah, and those are some of them.
All right. And do you know the meaning of these slangs?
Let me see. Bombo Clat, is it cursing like
Yeah, you're on the right path. Keep going.
Bombo Clat is cursing. Alafu Yaman is like just saying yes.
Yeah.
Alafu big up yourself. It's just like how can I say it? It's just big up yourself.
Yeah, like congratulating or
Yes.
appreciating someone.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, you're actually right. So bombo class actually means, and thanks to our audience who are educated about this, it's a cursing word. It's similar to saying like, Emma Effa.
Yeah. By the Jamaicans, imagine this is how much we love you.
People just use the words like that.
Imagine we listen to your music. Do you listen to our music surely?
Oh, good question.
They should be listening to our music, just like the way we see, you know Kayole.
Yeah.
Imagine you should one day go to Kayole and just hear how these people love Jamaican Jamaican music. So Jamaicans need to know that Kenyans do love them.
Oh, that's beautiful. Any last words for our Jamaican audience or people from the Caribbean? Because I understand there are people from the Caribbean, not just Jamaica, who watch this video.
Okay. people from the Caribbean. We do love you. Like I said before, we listen to your music. Try and come to Kenya and at least experience what I'm saying. Enter our should I know if I say matatu they won't know what matatu is. Okay, matatu is our public transport vehicle within now the Eastland CBD
Central Business District.
Central Business District. So if you enter our matatus, you will see your names, the big artists from Jamaica. They are drawn everywhere. Your names are there. So at least come and see how much we appreciate you. Yeah.
All right, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Okay, Wagwan.
Wagwan selector. Awo.